This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Home Meyer, licensed DC/MD/VA. Fabulous, open layout townhome with the convenience of 2 assigned parking spaces right in front of home and so many renovations. Entertainer's delight, with all the room you need, inside and outside. An expansive living area, a stunning, open, spacious kitchen and a basement recreation room, give you all the room for entertaining inside, to your heart's desire. A yard with a deck enable your guests to mingle and party outside as well. Renovations include, new flooring on main floor, fresh paint, newly renovated kitchen with granite countertops, cabinets, sink, faucet and stainless steel microwave, 2.5, newly renovated bathrooms, new tile, new vanities and new fixtures, overhead lights/ceiling fans in the 3 bedrooms, new lighting on main floor, overhead pocket lighting in living room, new Rheem heat pump and compressor and new front door. In addition, the luxury of a primary bedroom suite with a primary, attached bath, and a large, walkout basement with a recreation room to relax in, and a spacious laundry room, make this an exceptional home. Shows beautifully. Conveniently located near major routes, shopping and restaurants. Make sure to see virtual tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Home Meyer, licensed DC/